How to uninstall OTR2 application on your device. Hi everyone, if you no longer need the OTR2 application, then you can uninstall it from your device, whether you are using an Android or iOS. So first thing to do is to go ahead and get to the home screen of your device. Press and hold the OTR2 game and you will see this pop up. Click on the trash icon or the delete app icon and tap on uninstall. Once you do that, you will be able to delete the application or uninstall it from your Android device or your iOS device. If you ever decide to use it again, you can simply download and install it from your App Store or your Google Play Store. So that's how super easy it is. If you don't need the OTR2 application on your device and if you want to free up some storage space, that is how you can uninstall the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.